Once you have brought in the dynamic elements and build up your page, you're going to assign this as a template that will be used on all your post pages. Go to the block settings all the way to the left and select Make it Global. This is going to open up the conditions, and by default, it's going to set to appear only on this page. Now, this is a post page, and you can see we have other pages here as well, such as stories and pages, but we are working here with posts, and we want to put it on all, not just Fashion Week. So make sure you put it on posts and all. You also have the ability to exclude it. If there's a specific post you don't want it to appear on, you can select that here and then select exclude. In this case, we want it to appear on all posts, so delete that and select save. Click outside, update the page, and now you've created that global block that is a template for all your posts. To test this, let's go and create a second one. Go to the CMS dashboard, select add new post or duplicate the previous one and update here a post title, another fashion show, add a featured image, and add a second excerpt here. Let's publish it, save the changes, and edit. Build out new content here, but if you have a standard content that you want to keep for all your posts, you can build it out and save the layout, but it's much easier just to duplicate any post that you've used before and then add your new content into that. And this way, you've created great templates for your post.